Subscribe to KITOONS and let the never-ending fun begin!
Little changes! Cry babies, little changes!
Saving water! Greenie, Greenie! If my calculations are correct, something is wrong! The river is running out of water!
Little changers! It's at Connie's house! Oh!
Here we go! Yeah. Greenie, we need to turn off the faucet! It's wasting water! Yeah. Huh? What happened? That's better. Oh? Connie, you're drying up the river! And who are you? We are Aqua and Greenie, the little changers. We are in charge of taking care of the planet. Connie, if you waste water, the river will dry up. But it's so cold at first. That's normal. It takes a while until it comes out warm. What if you put a bucket to collect the water and then use it for other things? Good idea. You can use it to water the plants, trees, even to drink. Yay! Well done, Connie.
Little changes!
Wow! Amazing! Did you know that if you replace a bath for a shower, you'll save a lot of water? In a year, you would save the same as 2 full swimming pools.
With small changes, you can change the planet!
Looking for heart butterfly. Are you ready? I'll finally see the heart butterflies. The Cry File episode last night was amazing. They talked about flying saucers and Martians. Hey, where are the others? I told you guys to be punctual. But you're always late. All right. But it's the only time of the year that we can see heart butterfly. I can't be late for such a great event. New pajamas. They're amazing. Picture. These are our pajamas for special locations. We have to hurry up or I'm going to miss my great event. Koali, are you all right? I can't find the camper. And Cow's inside waiting for me. I'm sorry. I'm sure someone in Fantasy Mountain can help you find the camper. Let's go. But, Handy, you know the forest very well. You have to help Koali. I want to see the butterflies. Come on, Handy. All right. If we hurry up and we divide in groups, we'll have time to see the butterflies and help Koali. What is your last memory of the camper? I remember parking next to the trees. We're in a forest. Please, focus a little more. Sorry, I didn't eat breakfast. Hey, Nala, there are apples here. Awesome. Picnic time. Yay. Throw me a few. Ouch. I found the diamond pacifier. Cammy, tell me more about Martian. I don't want to stay in my new pajamas while the Martians moved and made strange noises. And how did they find the Martians? Finding their flying saucers is super easy. They leave signs on the ground, like these ones. And they have blinding lights, like those. Also, they usually hide in the middle of forests, like this one. Watch out! Why are you running? Poor cow. Where can he be? In the end, I won't be able to see the heart butterfly. Martians! Let's go! Martians! My special pajamas. Okay, I'm done. Not looking anymore. But Pansy, Martians also have cow. What Martian? No, no, and no. I tried to help, but you don't take it seriously. I'm going to see the heart butterfly. Nala hungry, Gigi on a picnic, and now Martians. I've tried to help, really, but they're so clueless. Oh. They're there! The heart butterflies are behind that mound. Pan? Pan! Ah! Pan, you scared me. Koala's camper. Poor cow will be very scared. But we're so close to the butterflies. I don't know what to do. I'm not afraid of Martians. I only ran because you all did. The Martians! Ah! Cow! How did you get here? Pansy, you found cow. But what about your butterfly? Cow and you are more important to me. I love you so much. Magic tears! Whoa! Whoa! Either way, Martians don't exist. Martians! Look, Pansy, it's your heart butterfly. Wow. Of course. Why didn't I realize that? They like to come to the light.
Little changes! Cry babies, little changes!
The river is polluted.
As I was saying, Aqua, before you water the vegetable garden, you need to make sure that the soil is dry. You see? It's dry. Now you water it. It's just soil. It doesn't... The water is yellow. Yuck! Whoa!
It's that lady's house, little changers.
I told you that so much yellow on the painting looks awful, lady. Throw it all away. Babies, don't throw it in there. You can't dump paint in the sink.
Hey, Aqua, you're making me dirty.
Lady, I'm sorry, but you're polluting getting everybody's water dirty. Follow us and you'll see. Wow, the river is very dirty.
It's because of the paint.
We're really sorry.
So what do we do with the remaining paint?
Keep it to paint something else, or if you don't like it, you can throw it away in a special container. Wow, that's a good idea. We'll keep it. Yes!
Little changes!
Oh, natural dye paint!
Please don't pollute.
Did you know that instead of chemical paint, you can make natural paint with fruit juice? And that's how we stop polluting our water.
With small changes, you can change the planet.
Little changes! Cry babies, little changes!
Reuse is in fashion.
Aqua, where are you? Boom! Ah! Look at all the boxes I found. We can reuse them and make a huge castle.
It's at lady's house, little changers. Hurry!
I don't like this anymore. To the trash. Why is she throwing away her clothes? They shouldn't throw away all these clothes in the trash. It's best if we take them with us. Hi, lady. Hey, your trash is moving.
Huh?
Oh, hi. What are you doing with my clothes? Well, we're taking the clothes so that someone else can reuse them. You shouldn't throw them away. They can be reused by transforming them into something new, or you can give them away.
Wow, you're right. Dottie, do you like anything?
This hat is the best. Thank you. Lesson learned.
Little changes!
Yay! Did you know that making new clothes pollutes the planet very much? So reuse your clothes by making something new, or give them away for someone else to wear.
With small changes, you can change the planet.
Little changes! Cry babies, little changes!
Earthy, why are you sick?
I'm sure you'll feel better with the cushion. No, she just needs more flowers.
Tea will make her better immediately.
But I'm achoo! It's at achoo at Dottie's garden.
Fancy's going to flip out. Her car is so clean. Oh no! The chemicals in the soap are harming the earth.
Now I get it.
That's why Earthy is sick. We have to fix this mess. Come on, let's remove the soap using water from the hose. Oh!
Whoa! What are you doing here, little changers?
Take a look. You're ruining the grass with the soap. Therefore, Earthy's getting sick. We need to remove all that soap right away.
That's true. We're destroying the grass. Babies, let's go fix this.
We did it!
Little changes!
Great! Yay! Did you know that chemicals like those in soap can destroy plants and harm animals? Let's use natural products to protect our planet.
With small changes, you can change the planet.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Let it rain, let it rain. You're late for your turn. Good morning.
Cleaning time.
It smells so good. I can start now. But she hasn't even stopped to see what's happening. Maybe I can fix it. How strange. It's indicating that there's no fruit left. Didn't you find out? Yes, of course. About what? There's no fruit in the factory because it hasn't rained for a long time and the trees are drying out. What? We have to organize an emergency meeting right away. Let's see. I don't want to forget to say it. I propose to create a team to help find out why it isn't raining. Great speech! We have to put a stop to the drought, or there will be no more cry juice ever at Tutti Frutti Bay. We have to do something now. We can't continue waiting. I think...
Something now, something now, something now.
The rain dance is coming along fabulously. By logic, this is not going to work. A dance doesn't make it rain. What? I can't hear you. That's it. Very good. Are you okay? Look at that. We attracted a cloud. But how's that possible? We already have the cloud, even though there's no rain yet. And now, let's throw sneezy powders on the cloud so that it'll sneeze. What a good idea!
The cannon is ready to send the sneezy powders.
Well, let's start the countdown.
10,
Sneezy
9,
powders?
8,
But that's not
7,
possible.
6, 5,
Wait.
4.
Oh. Come on, babies. Let's keep trying.
Wee. Wee.
a sad story, so the clouds will cry.
It doesn't rain. It doesn't rain. Hey, get down from there. Hey, bring that. And that one.
They're crying with laughter. The clouds could also cry with laughter. While they laugh, Tutti Frutti Bay is drying out.
Magic tears, jelly. It's not working.
Of course, it's obvious it's not going to work.
And why didn't you say so before?
I tried to, but you were so excited trying things that I couldn't tell you.
Well, we want to hear you now.
There are clouds in the sky, but they don't get dark, nor are they moving to the fields. Of course, because there's no wind. They need the wind in order to move over the lake. The water will evaporate, charging the clouds so it falls over the fields. And what do we do to make wind? Well, that's it. Let's use the Taste Factory's windmill as a fan.
Yeah, we could put an engine on it.
That's it. It will be more powerful. I think the windmill will work.
It's time to press the button so the windmill turns faster.
Mel, I think you should do it. You worked so hard to get it. Take it, Rain! Yeah! We did it! Good job! Yoo-hoo!
Cry babies, cry baby magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Banana slip.
I hate when the fruit gets bad. It smells like used socks. Ow!
Whoa.
That hurts.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but my bottom is not.
Magic tears, jelly. It was a funny fall, but you could have hurt yourself badly.
Well, someone doesn't know what a compost bin is. I suspect who that is.
Look, there's more. Let's follow the trail.
Yes, more banana peels. More close. Ouch! I knew it. You're the banana eater peel litterer.
Eater? Litterer? What? My name is Nana. You know that, Pia.
I fell down, and it's your fault. You have to be careful, or you'll cause more accidents.
Sorry. When I have a banana, I enjoy it so much that I forget everything else.
Nana, you can't be that spaced out. We must keep Tutti Frutti Bay clean.
But don't you think it's prettier like this? The jellies seem to enjoy it. Well, babies, I'm going to have my snack.
Is this possible? Tutti Frutti Bay as my witness. I won't allow another peel to cause an accident again. Ouch!
Love it. An ice cream? Yeah, banana ice cream.
I'll get it. I'll get
Oh, banana juice. Delicious.
Ooh.
Yeah!
It's delicious. Look, Tina, try it.
Hi, babies. I'm tired of all these peels. Is she only eating bananas?
No more trouble. I see the future in my ball. Nana will learn a lesson before another fall.
And when is the future? 'Cause the present has got me beat.
The future is already here with an unprecedented fear.
Nana, no! I told you 1,000 times that peels go in the compost bin.
Oh, I forgot.
Don't you realize that someone could slip?
You're exaggerating. I can't see anything.
So tasty.
How fast? I think she'll break the skating world record.
Maybe we should help her.
No, she needs to learn a lesson.
Hi, Cloud. What's up? Is that a bird or a plane?
It's Nana.
Oops, sorry. Careful. I'll hit you.
Well, I think she's learned the lesson.
Very good. I'll solve this in a snap. Whoa. The ice cream is slippery as well. Save!
Sorry, Pia. I won't litter peels anymore. I'll remember this time for sure. It's dangerous. Look, Pia, you'll be surprised. I slipped on peels so much that I became an expert skater.
Whoa!
Wow, what a style, Tina. Hannah, raise those legs. Whoever does it best will get an award. These little bananas. And when you finish skating, you know where the peels go. To the compost bin.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world loves friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
The jelly's living tears. It smells so good here. And the cry juices are so good. Another one.
It's just that, there are no more.
What?
You drank them all.
How is it that there are no more cry juice in Tutti Frutti Bay? It's like running out of bottles in Bottle Valley.
What? Ow! But don't worry, Connie. We can make more.
Really?
Wow.
At the Tasty Factory? And could we see the mixing vats?
Of course. Yay! We want to know everything. Oh, yes!
Go ahead. This is the disinfectant door.
Cleaning time.
Wow! That's the dome. Wow! That's the fruit control screen.
Wow.
And this? It's the exquisite smell of fruit.
Wow. Follow me. Hey, someone should clean that.
Wow!
Ow! Aye!
But wait, it gets better. The mixing vat.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Yes, I want to see it better. And does it work with any fruit?
Don't the fruits get dizzy?
Can I take it home?
Yes. No. And of course not. Let's make cry juice. First, we need to decide what to make the juice from. From banana.
No, blackberry.
No, apples.
No, banana.
Apple.
Blackberries.
What if we mix them all together? Wait, the juices come out better with the fruit song. First the banana to have a better week. Then the blackberry, always tasty and sweet. The apple in the morning is not a hit of boring. Mix them all together, cry juices forever.
Again.
First the banana to have a better week. Then the blackberry, always tasty and sweet.
the apple in the morning is not a hit of boring. Mix them all together. Dry juices forever. Yeah, ready. Now let's mix it. Can I do it? But of course. Let's try it. It tastes like clouds of jelly beans.
And a rainbow of caramel.
It's delicious.
It's fantastic. I'm so excited. I'm going to cry.
Magic tears, jelly.
Oh, we're crying jellies too.
So cool.
Very cool.
No, jellies at the Tasty Factory.
They are super cute. Super cute?
The jellies are very naughty. That's why we don't let them go inside the Tasty Factory.
I got you. Hey, come back here.
No, leave that fruit there. Give me that fruit. For the love of Tutti Frutti Bay, come back here. I got it. Nana, Ella, get the gelatin cannon. Yeah!
Let's go. It's working.
Take it. Luckily, it could have been worse. Now we have to take them out. Come on, babies. Push it. Come on. No, don't do that. No, stop.
Stop the jellies.
Wait!
Hey.
That way! Come back here! Ow!
You won't escape.
Leave it. Hey.
They're escaping to the valley.
No, not that way.
Huh?
Oh no! What happened? We have a problem.